Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we had been learned that determinants of social change. Then why people oppose social change? Next, relation between three concepts we had been learned: deviance, stress, and social change. Next, relation between cultural lag and social change. So, social change is part of life. Some change may be desirable, other change may be undesirable. Some social phenomena or culture we like it, and some culture we don't like it. So we need to change that type of culture, which make impact on society. When we make or change positive in the society, society become sustainable and develop. So today this is a section planned change, social marketing in health sector. First, we are going to detail about planned change. What is meant by planning? Planning means some measures to take, do something. Here, plan to change. Make some decision advancedly and set objectives and make changes. First, define planned change. Keywords, can you see this? Process, preparing new goals. Culture, internal structure, material, rewards and related aspects. So planned change has been defined as is a process of preparing new goals and change structure as well as culture and innovative materials. Become the positive or reasonable. Change happen to an social organization is planned change by its members. So planned by the members of social organization, including every organization, including family or social organizations, economic organization, political organization, and we are nurses need to think about healthcare organizations. Then every change aim to organizational development. For example, development in family life, development in the hospitals. Then social organizational effectiveness change itself. then guide to future changes, which means that change sustainable. So these are the nature of planned change. Okay. Next nature, solve problems. Why we need to change any problem in the organizations, try to change some structure or culture to solve their problems. Next nature, learning from experiences. For example, past experience, any particular material or any particular culture or behavior harmful, and learn and try to change it and introduce new models. Next, shared perceptions. Reframe. Reframe means old one, try to alter and reframing it and share it to everyone. Every members of that organizations, social organizations should be accept. Then adapt to external and internal environmental changes. Internal means within the organization, for example, within the family or within these hospitals. External means other people, other institutions, other social organizations by means of agreements and interactions. Next nature, improve performance. The main aim of planned change is that improve performance of each members in the social organizations. Next is that theories of planned change. Every theory focuses on how to implement change in organizations. First, Lewin's change model. According to him, use the word power pushing. What do you think about power? Is a role a person do to power to do something. Less pull resistant to social organizational change. Second model, action research model. First, information gathering. Research means try to search the informations and solve the problems. Here, action research. This, according to this model, first collect information, then decision making. Decision making is mainly based on particular change need or not. What kind of change is need, which is emphasized by this model. Third model, contemporary approach to change. With the difference, there is an advanced level of members. Then members to learn how to change. Contemporary means existing. So if a social organization Other organizational members do not involve according to this model. Within the members, they decide himself and learn to what are the changes needed in the particular social organization and try to change. Contemporary means existing. Next, technology related changes. Students, in modern days, technology is a key factor to change. Aim to solve problems and decision makings. Better decisions. For example, various decisions nowadays in society, social organization by computers, analysis in computers. Then it may include innovation and techniques. So innovation by means of invention of new techniques which affect doing things. Then introduction of automatic data processing. Already as we had been learned, automated data processing. Collect all the data and feed into computer system. They make better decisions, which is best. Which is best to change in particular setting. Then steps in planned change. Students, every planning having a step. Here, first recognize the need for change. Recognize means every members of the particular social organization should be accept that change welfare for every members. Second, develop goal. Set the goal. What are the changes needed? Whether material change or change of knowledge, etc. Next, select a change agent. Different mode of channels should be selected. Then diagnose the current climate. For example, current situation, particular model, what are the issues? Why we are going to change that? 5. Select implementation model. For example, in planning maybe different alternative models should be make. Then select best one. Then implement that model of change. Then develop a plan. How to implement it. Then implement that plan. Then evaluate. After implementation that change, evaluate that change is good or bad. What are the drawbacks and try to alter it. So this is a steps of changing planned change. So these steps we can implement every settings. Mainly it has been formally using in every organizations including hospitals as well as other economic organizations. Here some more explanation about recognize the needs for the change, management of levels of change or internal and external forces need to concern. Then develop the goals of the change. Action is taken, opportunities must be evaluated. Third one, select a change agent. Which agent is best? Their leadership is very important. Which type of leadership? open to good ideas, which is best idea. Fourth, diagnosis the current climate, gathering data, present data, and analyze that data and make decisions. Then preparing people for change compared to the desired future state. If I select an implementation method, here decision making is very important. Different perspectives should be concerned in the implementations. Perspective means different models or methods. For example, psychological perspective, social perspective, or technological perspective. New ideas should be concerned. Using external force as well. Then develop plan, put together the plan. What information gathered, when, where, and how. So these are the questions should be asked before the planning to implementation. Then implement the plan, put into operation. Okay, implementation means put into operate that plan and try to make changes in these social organizations. Then developing new competencies and skills for implementation. Then evaluation, result of the particular goal. For example, every change particular goal, whether that particular planning and implementation achieve that objective or not, evaluate it and alter it. Follow up and evaluation, positive results produce. Feedback is very important. Any negative changes, any negative aspects should be altered that matters. For example, any material may be negative and should be alter it and make pleasant. Students, next section is social marketing in healthcare services. What do you think about social marketing? Integrated marketing concept benefits individual, communities, social good. Integrated research, segmented social change program, equitable and sustainable. Students, the main aim of social marketing is that equitable and sustainable. Detail going on. What is meant by social? Social means related to society, its organization. Deals with society. So who is individual? Where individuals interact? Interact in family, religion, education, occupational setting, community, welfare organization, political, and ecosystem. So every social marketing, these are all the elements involved. Okay. Marketing. Students, the marketing usually we may be used in the material marketing. We are nursing professionals, we have been marketing services. Which service? Healthcare services. So marketing is a concept important in nursing. Marketing means selling products or services, including research, mainly marketing research and advertising. What do you think about marketing research? The nurses every day or conduct marketing research how to distribute nursing services, which type of nursing service is need for the client by means of assessment. Okay. Then define social marketing. Marketing decisions consumers want healthcare organizations and on the basis of long-term interest. Aim of social marketing. First aim, influence behaviors, benefits individuals and communities for the greater social good. So students, aim is that influence, for example, some behavior may be negative behaviors. Some nursing services difficult to distribute. That time we can use this strategy. Change behavior by means of these all the elements, by using familial factors, using economic factors and community settings, and try to change behavior and distribute nursing services, and patient as well as society become pleasant. Then goals of social marketing. Segmental social change. What do you think about segment? Detail following. Then effective. Next heading, parents of social marketing. First parent, social parent. Social means familial, educational, religious, economic, political, political policies, etc. Then marketing parent. Marketing means marketing approach, commercial, including marketing research and 4 P's in marketing following. Difference between marketing and commercial marketing, which means social marketing and commercial marketing. Product tangible in commercial marketing, but social marketing desired behavior intangible. We can't see, only change behavior and influence the people and accept that particular nursing service or healthcare service. Then objectives. In commercial marketing, only focus on earning money, okay, earning profit. But in social marketing, social gain, pleasant and happiness in the society. Focus on, in commercial marketing, focus on physical products. Physical means tangible product, including paper, pen or car, etc., motor vehicles, etc. But in social marketing, change the behavior. Tools, marketing tools use mainly advertising, etc. Here as well as used to change behavior by means of education and modifications. Then satisfying needs, satisfy individual needs. Individual means mainly biological needs satisfied by commercial marketing. But in social marketing, fulfill the social needs, which means people fluently interact and mainly by means of their sanctions and their acceptance, their services, healthcare services. Then 4 P's of healthcare marketing. So these 4 P's also available every types of marketing strategies. First P is that product development. Identify the product. Now we are nurses having nursing products or nursing services. For example, the injections. Different, in first year we had been learned different types of nursing procedures. Every procedure became a service product. Every product having a particular price. For example, put injection and write in this chart and particular price. Clear about? So product is a first P in marketing. Then determination of its price. Price means how much cost of particular service. We need to think about cost of particular nursing service. 3. Place, where. Distribution channel, consumers, places. Whether particular marketing, service marketing to in clinical setting or community setting. Okay. 4 is that promotion. How to promote our healthcare services, how to promote the nursing services. We are nurses by means of health promotion, including health education, immunization, and here M's are, 5 M's are here indicated for advertising. In commercial marketing use, that term is advertising. Five M's. What is by 5 M's? First is that mission. What are the main aim of particular nursing service? Then money. How much money used for that? Then message is very, very important. For example, if a patient comes with the blood pressure, which type of message to give to that patients, okay, and to change that patient's behavior and become better. Then media. Media means which type of media use. Nursing services actually directly give that these messages. Then measurement. Measurement means how much message need or how much money need for to implement or advertising this particular service. Then target marketing healthcare. What are the targets in healthcare? First target is that demographic segment. Demography means, already we had been learned in 5th unit, demographic characters, age, sex, for example, child healthcare services, okay, maternal healthcare services for women, okay. Then geographical segment. Geography means place, whether urban community or rural community. Which type of service need for a particular community. Then socio-economic segment. According to their class, rich people, poor people, middle class. Some poor people need the health insurances, etc. Then psychographic segment. Psychography means their thinking, learning, their feeling, how they feel. Which type of service people like. According to that, implement the marketing, these nursing services. Then behavioral segment. Behavior means culture. Which type of culture they having? What are the service they need? By means of nursing assessment should be assessed. Then product related segment. Product means, for example, child healthcare services, child healthcare service products, maternal healthcare service product, orthopedic healthcare service product, like this, product related segment. Then need based marketing. Which type of need? For example, a child need child healthcare. A woman need women healthcare services. A old age need this geriatric healthcare service. It's a need-based marketing segment. So these are the marketing segment in the healthcare. Can you name? Demographic, geographical, socio-economic, psychographic, behavioral, product-related, and need-based. Then 7 steps social marketing of healthcare we will learn next section. Now we are going to question time. Welcome to all. Now we are going to deal with 7 step social marketing of healthcare. First step is that select the target audience, which means whether child or mother or community setting concern, urban or rural, just select. Identify cluster of needs. For example, urban people, which type of healthcare services are needed. Identify it. Then apply valuation approach. Then evaluate that needs. How much money need? How many human resources need to fulfill marketing a particular the healthcare service? Then test this segment. Before our actual marketing of social marketing, test using small people, groups or individuals. Try to test it and identify which is best or not. Then modify marketing mix. For example, product, price, place, and try to modify according to their needs. Then execution of the healthcare services. Then valuation and feedback. Evaluate the particular marketing, social marketing, whether that achieve their objective or not. Next, 8 essential components of social marketing. First components, goal, organizational goal. So every healthcare organization a particular mission and goal, which is first essential. Second, emphasis on voluntary exchange of goods between providers and consumers. Providers means healthcare professionals, consumer, which is in people. 3, segmentation strategies. Analyze it. Which segment need a particular healthcare service? Then use of formative research in product. Pre-testing of these materials before actual marketing should be conduct pre-test. Then analysis and distribution. 6, marketing mix use. Already we had been learned marketing mix means product, price, place, promotion. 7, tracking system. After implement a particular marketing strategy, social marketing strategy, tracking it in between that program. Whether any difficulties or what are the these benefits and tracking it and integrative control functions. Then management process. Management means problem analysis, planning, implementation, feedback. These are the essential in healthcare social marketing. Then application of social marketing in every international organization, for example, public sector, which means government programs, then World Health Organizations, CDC, Disease Center Prevention, Department of Health and Family Welfare, NGOs, Human Services, departments, traffic safety, schools, governments. So these are the every areas we can implement, apply the marketing, social marketing strategies. For example, WHO launch a program. People don't know about it, a particular immunization program or health education program. So first, need to create awareness, peoples, and change these behaviors of the people and try to make people as accept a particular healthcare service. Mainly some specific areas application. Reproductive health program. Reproduction means maternal health. As in India we know that family planning program. In the beginning people do not accept the family planning. So using social marketing strategies, they identify the culture of the people, identify the religion, identify their norms and values and try to promote this family planning program, and people now accept and become well-being for people as well as whole society. Then HIV prevention. As we know that the social marketing is only way to prevent the HIV. Then childhood, control childhood diarrhea. In the rural area, child mortality is very, very high. Reason is that diarrheal diseases. The people learn hygiene. When you go to, for example, the village health nurses enter into families, they do not accept that healthcare services. So try to adopt these all these the elements. Okay, familial factors, cultural factors, religious factors, their economic components, and try to educate their people according to that needs of the people and change behaviors and implement the child healthcare services to every families. Then malaria control also need to apply. Then blood pressure, for example, BP is a common in every society. Then heart prevention, disease prevention. So this is cardiovascular diseases due to lifestyle. The lifestyle, there is no medicine. There is no commercial medicine, which means the price for that medicine. But need social marketing, need to educate the people how to improve your lifestyle and away from that diseases and prevent it. Then anti-tobacco campaign. Here as well as social marketing is a key marketing strategy. The maximum of tobacco users don't like to away from it. So need to use these strategies. Then campaign against skin cancer. Then disaster preparedness. Any types of disaster before preparing. Then ecosystem issues, antibiotic resistance. So these social marketing strategies use every healthcare professionals. They reduce the use of antibiotic to prevent resistance. Then injury prevention, water treatment, mainly clean water. So marketing of healthcare services is over. So students, the fact is that the social marketing, this marketing of healthcare services is important. The knowledge is very, very important for every nursing students. So when you go to hospitals as a nurse, don't think about this is a service, not only service. The marketing is a concept which is systematically implement our services. By using this all the knowledge, then only people accept, and which may be called as quality care as well as quality nursing services. Next section, importance of study of social change in nursing. First, assessment. What should nurse assess? Yes, nurse only assess what are the changes in the client life. When a patient come into hospital with disease, assessment, ask about previous day, previous week, and previous this history of the client. Okay. So last year, what are the change? Present, what are the changes which may cause the diseases? So which influence, which is effective for better nursing diagnosis. So nurse should be assess what are the changes in the client life, okay, which help us to better nursing diagnosis. We can identify needs of the client, which type of need, whether psychological need or social need, what are the physical needs and biological needs, etc. Then care, according to that we can give care, change oriented care. For example, if a patient comes to the hospital with depression, the nurses collect history, previous, and diagnosis that due to particular change, a person suffers from depression. Then according to that we can formulate psychotherapy and give better care. Then treatment. For better treatment, client change oriented treatment modalities need. Then prevention of diseases. As we had been learned, marketing of healthcare services, social marketing should be prevent the diseases. This change, planned change. For example, if a person having this alcoholic, experiencing alcoholism, so that person needs planned change in individual life, how to away from that bad habits, nursing formulate strategies and educate that client and prevent the diseases. For example, prevent cardiovascular diseases as well as diabetes, non-communicable as well as communicable diseases. Then promotion of health. The change management is help us to promote holistic health. As we know that change only cause difficulties in life. Predictable or desirable changes be happy. Unpredictable or undesirable changes we may be unhappy, which may cause stress and depression. So our goal is that this management of change, whether any negative change, that change we can change, plan to change into become positive, which help us to promote the health, holistic health. The nursing management, student, in nursing management this is important concept, social change. Change management in hospitals, change management in community setting, change culture of the people to prevent communicable diseases, and nowadays that is a medicine to treat various disease, manage the disease. Next, practice nursing. Practice means clinical nurses is aimed to change individual life. Life become pleasant and positive. The nursing education. Nurse as an educator should be concerning what are the changes in student life. For example, if you put a student in the study time, maybe this unable to study, for example, poor learning capacities. That time, as a nursing educator, study about that students and make some cultural changes, knowledge changes and behavioral changes, implement to produce wonderful nursing professionals in our society. Then patient and health education. Nurse is a health educator concerning changes. Change-oriented education is needed. Then counseling and guidance. Change-oriented guidance. The nursing research. Students in nursing research, every aspect of nursing research, we should be apply this knowledge, including research, problem formulation, research design, tool for formulation, data collection, and sample determination, data analysis, data interpretation, etc. and which create good results and research findings. Then stress management. Students, this is mental health nurses should be concerned it. This way people become stressed, unpredictable changes in life. So we need to manage the change, the stress gone away. So which is not only our professional aspect as well as individual aspect, which is very important for us. Okay, why we feel stress? Some change maybe we would not like that time. We need to manage the change, and that change into negative change into positive changes, and become pleasant. Next, change management. The change management strategies every hospital nowadays available. For example, manual nursing procedure into computerized. For example, the nursing chart in olden days only in this written manual. Nowadays every hospitals are computerized nursing chart. Nurses enter in the computer. That type of changes by means of planned change. Technological changes in hospitals. Then all the nursing specialties use this knowledge. First, maternal health nursing. So for example, what are the changes in mother's life? Change-oriented mother care is essential. Then child health. Then medical surgical. Medical means medicine, surgical means surgical procedures. Change-oriented surgical procedures should be adopted. For example, medical surgical nurses having lot of procedures. Need to change. Do not stick on olden methods. Adopt new methods and change to create better results. Then mental health. In mental health, the change is a medicine. Change is a psychotherapy to treat various mental illness. Then community health nursing. Every community should be changed. Nowadays, treat the communicable diseases, change culture, and modify the environment in the every communities, urban as well as rural. Then summary and conclusion. Thus, concepts such as social change, factors of social change, planned change, social marketing, solve used to solve social problems, mainly focus on solve the healthcare problems. It has been directly impact on health status of people. Then students, it is a social medicine. The question is that change is a medicine. What is meant by medicine? Medicine means a factor which is used to prevent, promote, cure, diagnosis the disease, which is medicine. The pharmacological medicine is substance use. Substance means the medicines, for example, synthetic medicine or biomedicines. But in social medicine, there is no substance use, only factors use. For example, familial factors. Change in family can cure the disease. For example, if a patient comes with hospital with cardiovascular disease, what is a medicine? It's a chronic illness. There is no pharmacological medicine. Society only medicine. If changes in the family can cure the disease, change food habits, change bad habits into healthy habits. So social change is a social medicine, can cure every types of diseases, can prevent every kinds of diseases, including physical illness, mental illness, as well as social disabilities we can eradicate by means of social medicines. Also, we can prevent the communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Okay, students, so social change is a social medicine. Without cost, we can cure the disease. Okay. As a nurse should be prescribed this medicine to every patient. Then essential to apply to nursing. In every aspect of nursing, already as we had been learned, care, cure, prevention, promotion, rehabilitation, etc. Then promote, which is used to promote sustainable peace. If a person can able to effectively manage the changes, become experience sustainable peace and development. In community can develop with peace and sustainability. Okay. So next review questions. Define following: social change, cultural change, deviance, stress. List the following: 3 nature of social change, theories of social change, factors determine social change, causes of deviant behavior. Short notes: process of social change, nature of social change, theories of social change, effect of technology on major social institutions, why people oppose social change, role of nurses, change agent, relation between social change, deviance, stress and health, cultural lag versus social change, planned change, social marketing in health sector. Then essay on define social change, explain factors determine social change, its impact on health. Okay. So I would like to give unit test questions. Okay, students. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day.